Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection problem with your Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2nd generation. So to do this, take a look. I will try to connect the Sennheiser earbuds with my phone, and after a few moments I will get the notification at the bottom of my screen. Okay, there's no even the notification, but I simply cannot connect them. So first of all, I can recommend you to simply restart the Bluetooth settings on your phone. So let's do this like that. Just power off for a few seconds and then turn it on back. Next, I can recommend you to input both earbuds inside this charging case, close it for a few seconds, and after a short time, just open it. Next, remove both earbuds from this charging case, and then you have to click and hold both touch controls. Let me just hold it like that until these indicators, probably the right one, will start blinking blue and the red, just like that. Right now we can release the touchpads, and it means that we are in the pairing mode right now. So let's try to pair them right now. And as you can see right now, everything is fine. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.